Have you ever felt like your creative process is just scattered, like
Yeah.
your big ideas are over here, the strategy doc is buried somewhere else, and then you're hunting for images on stock sites, maybe needing totally separate software for video. It just feels like this chaotic mix.
Yeah.
Tools, passwords,
Oh, yeah.
and, well, let's be real, a stack of subscription fees.
Right. But what if that whole flow, from that initial idea right through to the finished post,
Yeah.
what if it could all happen seamlessly, like
Yeah.
in one single place?
Okay.
Well, that's not really science fiction anymore. It's actually here.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are diving deep into the power of Canva AI. And if you still think of Canva as just, that friendly drag and drop tool,
Made for quick graphics.
exactly, prepare to see it quite differently. We're going to explore how its AI features are really changing the game, turning it into something like an automated marketing command center.
Yeah, totally. And our mission today is pretty straightforward. Give you a new mindset, a new workflow. It's not just about saving time, though that's huge. It's about helping you build your brand online way more efficiently and, honestly, more creatively, too.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll start with the foundation, just getting the basics of the Canva account and the AI hub. Then we'll walk through an 8-step workflow. We've even made up a fictional brand, Urban Sprout, to show you how to build a whole campaign.
Okay.
And finally, we'll get into the master's mindset, that crucial synergy between human smarts and AI power.
Okay, let's really unpack this then. So that first decision you hit, it's pretty foundational. Canva Free versus Canva Pro.
Right.
And for these AI features we're talking about, the free account has, a major catch. You only get 50 lifetime credits for AI stuff.
Right.
50, that's it.
Yes, and you should definitely think of those 50 credits as like a really good extended trial, test everything out. But Canva Pro,
Yeah.
that's where the strategic investment really pays off.
How so?
Well, don't just look at the monthly cost, right?
Yeah.
Think ROI. Pro can actually replace other expenses, like those stock photo subs, gone. Stock video, same.
Oh, okay.
Maybe even costs for freelance designers for simpler tasks, or licenses for, fancy photo and video software. But honestly, the biggest saving, it's time. Hours and hours. Time you get back to think strategically, connect with customers, build the actual business. So yeah, our advice, burn through those 50 free credits. Test everything. See what clicks for your workflow. The upgrade to Pro usually becomes like a no-brainer after that. And look for Magic Studio in Canva.
Yeah.
That's your gateway to all the AI magic.
So strategically, what's the bottom line for someone starting out with these options?
Pro gives you serious power, saves money and time, frees you up for the big picture.
Okay, foundation set. Where do we go next? It feels like the brand identity, the logo. That's kind of the first impression, right?
Absolutely.
Let's talk about creating that for our fictional brand, Urban Sprout, this modern plant shop for city folks. The mindset here seems key, like briefing the AI properly.
Exactly. You got to treat the AI like a creative director, almost. Be specific. For Urban Sprout, we'd ask for, say, 3 distinct logo concepts. Minimalist, sophisticated style.
Like what?
Maybe an abstract icon, like a cool geometric leaf shape. A word mark, just the name Urban Sprout in a nice font, maybe with a tiny sprout detail. And a line art one, like a simple drawing of a potted plant. And specify the colors. Forest green, charcoal gray, off-white. Now, here's a pro tip. A real-world thing. AI icons, often beautiful. AI text, sometimes iffy. Spelling errors, weird fonts.
Okay.
So the trick is, use the AI to generate tons of great icon options. Pick one you love, maybe use Magic Eraser to clean it up if needed, then add your brand name yourself using Canvas fonts. Full control. Oh, and upload a reference image, like a mood board. That helps teach the AI your style.
That makes a lot of sense. Use the AI for its visual strength, then refine the text yourself. Okay, so from the logo, the visual anchor, we need the strategy, right? The campaign's North Star. How does AI help build that?
Yeah, because design alone won't save a campaign with no direction. This is where Magic Write in Canva Docs is super powerful. You're building a real plan, not just bullet points.
Okay.
Imagine prompting it. Act as a DTC marketing strategist. Create a brand manifesto for Urban Sprout. It could generate, like, target persona Anna, 27, creative, city apartment dweller, her pains, her joys.
Wow.
A brand voice chart, knowledgeable, inspiring, calm, with do's and don'ts for writing. Key messaging pillars like sustainable beauty or green therapy. Even recommended channels like Instagram, Pinterest, and why.
That's impressive. Any pitfall?
Well, yeah, a word of caution. And honestly, this is something I still wrestle with myself sometimes, prompt drift, where the AI kind of wanders off. The AI gives you a fantastic first draft. Yeah, seriously good.
Yeah.
But you have to edit it. Add your unique stories, your core values. Inject that human soul. It's a push-button perfect.
So for these early strategic steps, what's the real key to getting content that works?
Specific prompts get good drafts. Human refinement makes them genuinely yours.
Okay, here's where I think it gets really interesting. Bringing that strategy to life with visuals, images, video, the stuff that grabs attention.
Yeah, content is king, but visuals are definitely queen.
You have to think about the emotion, right?
Totally. So we use Magic Media for images.
Mm-hmm.
For Urban Sprout, be specific again. Photorealistic lifestyle photo. Bright minimalist living room, big windows, thriving fiddly fig, white pot, morning sun, soft shadows, serene aspirational mood, 4K.
Okay, detail.
Then, once you have an image you like, level up with Magic Studio tools. Like you can literally lift the plant out, move it over, create space for text. It's wild.
Whoa.
Magic Edit, select the pot, type change to matte black ceramic pot, boom, done. Matches your brand.
That's crazy.
And Magic Expand, got a square Instagram photo, need a wide Facebook cover, just drag the edges. AI draws the rest of the room logically. No more weird crops or hours in Photoshop trying to fake it.
Okay, that saves so much headache. What about video? That's huge right now.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
But AI video credits, they're precious even on Pro, so use them wisely. High-impact stuff.
Right.
Maybe prompt. Cinematic close-up, hands repotting a succulent, slow-mo soil falling, soft light, focus on care, relaxing feel.
Nice.
Once you have the clip, which still feels like magic, honestly, go to Apps AI Voice. Add a voiceover. Warm, inspiring female voice. Urban Sprout. Bring nature into your living space. Add another layer.
So, thinking bigger picture, how does AI really boost visual storytelling beyond just making things look good?
It lets you test visual moods fast, iterate on stories, really dial in that brand emotion quickly.
Okay, shift gears slightly. Imagine that scenario. Last-minute meeting, potential partner, need a pro presentation now. How does AI jump in?
Magic design for presentations. Lifesaver. You just tell it the goal. For Urban Sprout, create a professional 7-slide deck for corporate partners. Goal. Persuade them to use our office plant service.
And it builds it.
Yep. Gives you the structure. Title, problem, lifeless offices, solution, green benefits, service packages, pricing, call to action. A solid framework in seconds.
Amazing. And then you mentioned something that sounds like it shifts Canva from just creative tool to more like an operations hub Canva Sheets.
Absolutely. This is where it gets really organized. Create a new design, pick sheets, then prompt for your whole social media plan. Like create a detailed 1-month social plan for Urban Sprout.
Specifying columns.
Exactly. Week, date, channel, format, pillar, idea, caption, hashtag, status. You can even pre-fill ideas. And the pro tip, use drop-downs for the status column idea, in progress, ready. Assign colors.
Like a Kanban board.
Precisely. Visual workflow tracking right there in Canva.
Yeah.
So satisfying moving those posts along.
Okay, this next step sounds like the real multiplier effect. Bulk create. What's that about?
Oh, this is your best friend for anything repetitive. Plan of the week, quick tips, quotes, thank yous. Anything with a consistent structure.
How does it work?
So say you plan 30 plant care tips in your Canva sheet. Unique text, maybe different images for each. Normally that's 30 manual designs.
Yeah.
A whole day, maybe more. Instead, make one template design.
Yeah.
Open bulk create. Connect your sheet data map idea to the title text box, caption to the body text, maybe an image column too. Click generate.
And then?
Less than 5 minutes later, you have 30 unique ready-to-go design files, all populated correctly. A day's work done while your coffee brews. Whoa. Imagine scaling this for like a global brand, 1 billion queries. The efficiency is just staggering. It changes everything.
So beyond just making one thing, how does AI truly transform the whole content workflow?
It automates production at scale, lets you iterate incredibly fast, saves unbelievable amounts of time.
Okay, we've talked about all this incredible power, these amazing features, but it feels important to ground this. An AI tool is, well, it's still just a tool, right?
That is the absolute core concept.
Yes.
Real effectiveness isn't just the tool, it's the synergy. Machine power plus your human strategy, your empathy, your creativity.
Explain that synergy more.
Think of it like this. AI is the executor, you're the creative director. AI spits out 100 ideas, you pick the one that fits the brand, that connects. AI gives you the draft, you add the soul, it writes okay text, you weave in the story, the joke, the compelling call to action.
Right.
AI analyzes data. Hey, Monstera posts get high engagement. You make the call. Okay, should we launch a Monstera product line?
Yeah.
It's a partnership.
So the analogy could be AI is like this incredibly talented, super fast assistant.
Exactly.
Your job is to give it the right brief, ask the right questions, steer it.
That's it. You leverage its power to multiply your own impact.
So when you boil it all down, what's the ultimate power of AI in creativity? Where does the real magic lie?
Human strategy guiding AI execution unlocks creative potential we haven't seen before.
This whole deep dive, it really paints a picture of Canva AI as this automated marketing command center. It feels like a genuine game changer.
It really is. And it's not just about saving time and money, although it definitely does that. It's about liberating you,
Yeah.
freeing you from the tedious stuff, the repetitive tasks that drain energy, so you can focus on what only humans can do well. The deep thinking, the strategy, the emotional connection, telling those really compelling brand stories.
So for listeners, what's the first step? It can feel overwhelming.
Just start small. Pick one thing from the workflow we talked about today. Maybe try generating some logo ideas or drafting a strategy doc. Just experiment.
Don't be afraid to mess up.
Exactly. Experiment. Fail. Learn. Tweak it. It's a process. And check out resources like Canva Design School, their blog, or sites like Prompt Hero to get better at writing prompts. And that quick checklist again. Prep, strategy, brand ID, content plan, asset creation, automate and scale, then review and publish. It's a solid path.
So the final thought then, what compelling stories will you now be able to tell, freed from all that busy work? 2 secs silence.
The future of creativity. It feels like it's really here, right at your fingertips.
Thanks so much for joining us on this deep dive.
We'll see you next time. Oh, Utero music.